And that tip, that knife is actually kind of bent. It's kind of goobered, but it's got a burr. Again, whichever side you stop on, the burr is on the other side. So it is leaving a burr. So let's try this one. Blade's pretty straight. Now I'm not getting all the way to the tip, and I'm going to say that's because I'm not actually coming out. And I think that's what I need to do. So on the next 3 passes on either side, I think I'm going to kind of do like that when I hit the tip. Okay, so that got all the way out there to the tip. So the blade is sharp. I mean, you can see the new edge all the way down. It's uniform. It's not out of whack. Maybe a little bit towards the tip because I may be varying my pressure a little bit. There's a little bit of a burr on this side through here and towards the tip. So I'm a little inconsistent in how I'm holding the knife. So I've got a few things I'm going to recommend towards the end. Let's go ahead and get through this knife. And then we'll look at, and the tip on this one is really bent. I don't know how well that's going to work out, but let's see. The blade's a little flexy and it's moving, but you can see that I'm going all the way to the tip, but where that tip is curved over, it's not really doing any sharpening because of the way it is. So I really don't see an edge over here. It's like scissors. I can see the edge over here, but not really anything over here. It's just a burr on this side. So let's do 7 times over here. Okay, so I've got an edge on this side. I've got a large burr in there. Definitely a large burr. So I'm seeing I'm transferring the blade to either side. So let me just do 2 here. Okay, so that's kind of the ticket there. We'll talk about that in just a minute. Let's grab some larger knives. Okay, so I have 4 knives, but I'm not going to do this one. This one is a fillet knife, and it is pretty sharp, so I'm just going to hone it with the fine, or I may not mess with it at all. But this one, we're fixing to make this the next victim. That is not much of an edge on there at all. So let's see what we can do. Oops, I didn't do that right. But anyway, I can feel a big difference in that edge. There is actually an edge starting on there, whereas there really wasn't before. So let's go 3 more times. Not a lot of heat, but then again, I mean, that's a lot of knife there to heat up. So I mean, I feel like that's a real good start on a edge for sure. Um, I think consistency is going to be the big thing. Now, of course, this isn't any kind of special knife. You can see the grind of the original one is kind of way off. So it's a cheapo knife. It's got China on it. So it's just basically a cheapo knife. Now, we're going to get into these here, which these are a little different. That's kind of flexy, but not a whole lot. We're going to need to go over towards the end of the video some things that I'm seeing here, but let's get through this right here and see how it's going. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.